Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal, and through this video, I just want to spread awareness about the latest offer rolled out by Kajabi. So, Kajabi is an online tool which I'm using to build my multiple online businesses, all in parallel using the powerful automation system built through Kajabi tool. Now, here is an update that is Kajabi. Only for very limited time. You can try Kajabi for 30 days, absolutely free, and also you get 5 days of live group coaching by Tina Tower. Okay, she's an author and entrepreneur, and what you are going to learn, okay, absolutely free because Tina. If you don't know about Tina, okay, so let's search Tina Tower on Google. So just see tinatower.com. You can go to her website and you can just learn about what she is into. Okay, so she has some digital products and she is a well-known personality. And if you go to about section, so you will understand that she is actually helping other people to make money through online business. So she's an expert and she can help you to start an online business, okay, how to make $1 million in a year, and she's an expert in this. Okay, so what she is going to do is she is going to help you to create, manage and grow your online business right from the beginning, okay, right from the scratch, with Kajabi's intuitive suite of tools. Okay, so which means when you are into 30 days trial with Kajabi, also you get 5 days this live coaching by Tina Tower, absolutely free, so that she will help you to set up Kajabi tool for yourself. Okay, and also she is going to help you to grow your email list in whatever business you are. I'm into network marketing and affiliate marketing, and I'm using Kajabi for this. And you can actually learn from Tina about this, and also you will learn how to earn your first sale of many in a record time. Okay, so that is a big promise, right? So get started with Kajabi today. Okay, so this is a very limited time offer. You're going to get Kajabi support system also, where you can ask your question within these 30 days. If you're facing any challenges, you can connect with Kajabi customer support and they will be happy to help you. Okay, so ready to get tech on your side instead of in your way. So go ahead and take this 30 days trial. Kajabi is an online tool which is a fully integrated tool where you can set up your courses, your digital products or subscriptions. Also, you can use some very powerful automation systems. You can create multiple funnels, landing pages. You can also monetize your knowledge. You can connect it with different payment gateways. And it is the fastest way to create a fully integrated page. You can create your own website and pages, unlimited landing pages. You can create unlimited funnels. So I have been using Kajabi for last 4 years. Okay, for last 3 years, and this is one tool which is an essential tool for my business. So if you want to go ahead, I want to give you this offer link. You can go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi. Basically, this is my affiliate link. Okay, again I repeat, dnaclub.in/Kajabi. I'm going to give this link in the video description also. So go ahead, click on this link and then click on get started. This offer is for very limited time. If in case, this is till 2nd of October only. If in case you're watching this video after 2nd of October, so after clicking on this link, you can just check out what's the latest offer which is going on. But currently it is 30 days free trial of Kajabi along with a wonderful live coaching by Tina Tower, absolutely free for you. Normally she charges tons of money for this, but you are going to get this absolutely free when you become member of Kajabi, when you come and become a Kajabian. Okay, so go ahead, there is nothing to lose. Okay, start with 30 days trial. Once you get here, okay, once you click here on dnaclub.in/Kajabi, click on get started. Okay, and when you click here, this same page will open. Now what you're going to do is click on this, get 30 days free trial plus coaching. When you click here, enter your first name, last name and email address. Okay, just for dummy purpose, let me enter this. Okay, then continue, and then next step is you can fill up your card details. Don't worry, they are not going to charge anything. So it is only for the for next month. Okay, it is auto renewal, $199, but you can also downgrade this to $149. Okay, so within the trial period only, right? So you can create your own password for Kajabi. This will be your Kajabi password, and then enter your card details. So if you are from India, RuPay card will not work. Only Visa card and Mastercard and Amex card. These cards will work here. Okay, and also your international payment facility should be open by your bank. So if in case this site is not taking your card, then you have to check with your bank if international payment option is enabled on your card or not. Okay, so basically you can use a credit card, that works fine, but you can use debit card also, but make sure that it should be Visa card or MasterCard. So no platform fees. It is a reliable platform, and you also get 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, if in case after 1 month they charge you some amount, and even after that within 1 month you want your money back, you can connect with their customer care, and Kajabi will return your money back within 30 days. Okay, so nothing to lose. Go ahead, claim this offer, and become a Kajabian. Check out the link in this video description. Thank you. Do subscribe the channel also. Thank you.